not with me?
That's not
how do I know if
All
you're safe if you're not with me? You're all the way out of Cincinnati doing what you do. And I just want to check on you and make sure you're cool.
All day, every day. I
you're
be
my
busy.
girl.
I be busy, and I tell you that, and then you want to get mad because I'm busy.
You know why you so much of how you don't know how to act when a man actually wants to treat you?
So when I try to
never know when to shut up.
try to check on you and make sure that you're cool.
All right. So here's the deal. The major question is whether you two are still going to be together, because you said you came on the show to ask for forgiveness for what you did. Obviously, there's some problems in the relationship, but you're young and there are going to be problems. The question is, do you want to stay with him? And can you tell her that she's going to be able to believe it, that you're not going to cheat on her anymore, even when you have tough times?
Yeah, I'm not going to do it again, I promise. I want you back more than anything. I want to keep you.
You know, Jerry, I love that man so much, and my life isn't complete without him, so I'm going to give him another chance.
We'll be back. AJ says that he needs to put the past behind him. AJ, what's going on?
Jerry, I came on the show today to tell you straight out and to tell my chick, I'm done with her. The situation is dead in our relationship.
Well, why's that?
I've been with her for 2.5 years.
Yeah.
First few months we was together, everything was good. We was rocking, everything was the best.
Yeah.
I thought I found my chick. I think I found my wife.
Yes.
Jerry, 3 months in, she gets pregnant. While she's sitting there pregnant, I'm thinking I got a son coming. This is my baby.
You're excited about
I'm
this.
excited.
Good.
Jerry, I was the most excited man on this earth.
Yeah.
Jerry, this baby came out Asian.
Did you send it back in? No. So the baby's born and the baby's Asian.
I'm sitting there looking
and
at the
I'm
baby.
thinking you're not.
I'm not. I mean, look at me.
Well, I
Do
mean,
I look Asian?
yeah. And your girlfriend, she...
My girlfriend, she's denying it the whole time. She's still
not
telling me
Asian.
it's my baby. No, she ain't Asian.
Why?
Man, she just kept telling me the whole time, it's your baby. This is your baby.
Oh, so...
Yeah, this is your son.
Yeah.
So she keeps on saying. I'm looking at her like, are you serious? You really gonna keep saying this? The nurse comes in. She's asking me to sign the birth certificate. Ooh. Now, I done gave this child my whole name.
Yeah.
She's sitting there telling me to sign the birth certificate. I'm telling her, yo, before I sign this, you need to tell me what's up.
Yeah.
She's over here, yeah, it's your baby, it's your baby. It's your baby, I promise you, it's your baby. I'm like, man, are you sure this is my child?
And she says, yep, that's mine.
She's all for it. It's mine. This is our child.
Yeah.
So, of course, I signed. That's my son. So I signed. Jerry, we went to get a DNA. Now, DNA test was like $500-something.
Oh, yeah.
So immediately
cheaper.
I'm looking...
It's cheap on Maury.
Yeah. I'm sitting there, I went to the court, they did it for free. Well, by the time I get the results back, this thing says 0.00001%.
So I'm guessing you're not the father.
Guess so. That's what it looked like to me. So I go to confront her about it.
Yes, I hear the results.
I'm like, yo, what is this about? What is this going on?
And she says...
She's sitting there still lying about it.
Oh.
Telling me she don't know dude and she don't know nothing about nobody and everything else. Man, Jerry, I took all precautions for this child.
Yeah.
I went and got the crib.